I'm in a 2012 Dodge Avenger, and today I'm going to show you to refill your power steering fluid. So first, to make sure your hood's open, and then we'll go to this passenger side here, and then you should see it right here. So this reservoir here, check your owner's manual and good online sources for your particular model. Make sure you're using the right fluid, but you'll just unscrew to open, and then it just pops right off, and then directly into there with a funnel or straight from the jug you can fill back up. And there's marks on the side. That's a minimum and a maximum, so you just want some airspace in here, so don't fill it up all the way, but fill it up as needed. And then when you're done, screw this back on nice and tight. You want to make sure it's all the way tight so it stays under pressure and nothing falls in there. But that's it. I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.